Okay, so now what we need some leaves, but we need them to be a little bit darker. So I have a darker green here. I'm going to go ahead and take some of this and mix it with the lighter. Do it right here so you can see it. Just because you want the leaves to be just a slightly different color. Okay, so I'm going to use a tip 352. Got that right here. Okay, so the leaves, what we can do here on the daffodils, we're going to make long leaves. So I'm going to start with the pointy part, lightly touching the cake, squeeze, and kind of pull up, stop squeezing, and pull the tip away. And then up here, you can just kind of pull some straight up. Okay? Now in this one, we'll do these a little different. We'll just squeeze, pull the tip away. Okay, this one we'll do the long leaves again. So squeezing, stop squeezing, pull the tip away. Okay, and then you could even do a couple out here if you want. Just squeeze, kind of pull the tip up. Okay, now we have our butterflies to do. Get rid of this buttercream here. Butterflies, and one more thing here. I don't like, even though this one, it's pretty plain, this middle tier, I don't like it really being that plain. So I'm going to take the same color, which is the periwinkle blue that we did inside here, and I'm just going to make a little design right in here. Okay, I'm just almost going to just kind of wiggle down, just squeeze. It's like it's a little design on her outfit. Okay, it just adds a little bit more color there, so it's not so plain. And then our butterflies and our bow also. Let's do the bow in the same periwinkle. It'll kind of bring it all together, that's her outfit. And this one's a tiny bit more lavender than that one, but that'll be fine. So I need to just kind of roll this out into a strip. And cut. Okay, I need to do tails first. So I just need basically 2 strips for the tails. I'll take my small scissors and cut a V shape at the base. Okay, and then pinch this part at the top. Take a little bit of water right here. And just place that on there. Okay, the other one. Okay, need to roll this out one more time into a strip. Okay, so what I've done is cut it there, pick it up, flip it over. Take both ends into the center. That one's not quite in the center. There it is, now it is. Take my fingers and just kind of pinch together there. This is a little too much excess right here. I'm going to kind of pinch some of that off. Okay, now I need to take one of these pieces and just widen it a little bit. This will go right over the center, flip it over, and just tuck the sides in just a little bit. Okay, see what I've done there? Now take this, place it right over the center, and then pinch some of that off, pick this up, and tuck it around the back. Now pick this entire thing up, pop it right there.